At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a unicorn startup, those rare companies valued at over $1 billion, requires a combination of innovative ideas, strategic planning, diligent execution, and a bit of luck. Here's a rough roadmap to get you started. 1. Idea generation. Identify a unique and scalable idea. Look for problems that haven't been adequately addressed or innovative ways to improve existing solutions. 2. Market research. Validate your idea by conducting thorough market research. Understand your target audience, their pain points, and existing competitors. 3. Develop a business plan. Outline your business model, revenue streams, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. This plan will serve as your roadmap and help attract investors. 4. Build a prototype/MVP. Develop a minimum viable product, MVP, to test your idea and gather feedback from early adopters. Focus on building core features that solve the primary problem. 5. Assemble a talented team. Surround yourself with a diverse team of skilled individuals who share your vision and complement your strengths. Look for co-founders, advisors, and employees who are passionate and committed. 6. Secure funding. Raise capital to fuel your startup's growth. This could involve bootstrapping, seeking investment from venture capitalists, angel investors, or crowdfunding platforms. 7. Focus on growth. Once you've validated your product and secured funding, focus on scaling your business rapidly. Utilize marketing strategies, partnerships, and user acquisition tactics to expand your customer base. 8. Embrace innovation. Stay agile and adaptable. Continuously innovate and iterate based on customer feedback and market trends. Be prepared to pivot if necessary. 9. Build a strong brand. Invest in building a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Focus on delivering exceptional customer experiences to foster loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. 10. Prioritize sustainability. While rapid growth is important, ensure your business model is sustainable in the long run. Focus on creating value, maintaining a healthy work culture, and managing resources efficiently. 11. Cultivate investor relations. Keep your investors informed and engaged. Build trust by demonstrating progress, achieving milestones, and being transparent about challenges and opportunities. 12. Prepare for challenges. Expect obstacles along the way and be prepared to navigate them. Stay resilient, learn from failures, and remain committed to your vision. Remember, building a unicorn startup is a challenging journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks. Stay focused on creating value for your customers, and success will follow. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.